여기 지하철 매표소에서 일하는 한 여성이 있습니다. 이 여성의 이름은 루시. 그녀는 늘 비슷하고 반복된 하루를 살고 있죠. 하루 종일 창고 앞을 지나가는 수많은 사람들에게 표를 팔고 일이 끝나면 아무도 없는 집으로 돌아가는 것이 그녀의 일상인데요.
What do you have?
Oh, the usual?
What's that?
Mustard? Coke?
Lucy! Lucy!
Hi, dear.
I'm glad to find you here.
I was hoping you'd find me in Bermuda.
Supervisor Jerry Wallace nominates Lucy Monorance for Employee of the Month. Lucy is never tardy, always works holidays, even if she has worked the previous holiday. Just because she worked Thanksgiving, Lucy is willing to work Christmas too.
Jerry, I'm not working Christmas.
Extra holiday pay.
I hate you.
Lucy. Sick and Celeste can't switch because she's got some big family thing. I know it isn't fair and I can't make you do it. But Lucy, you're the only one.
Without family.
루시의 부모님은 이미 세상을 떠났고 그녀에게는 명절을 함께 보낼 가족도 없었습니다. 매일 수백 명의 사람들과 마주하지만 정작 그녀의 삶에는 온기가 없는데요. 그래서 크리스마스가 다가올수록 그녀에게는 기쁨의 날이 아니라 외로움이 더 선명해지는 날일 뿐입니다. 하지만 그녀의 하루 중 유일하게 마음이 설레는 순간이 있었는데 매일 아침 같은 시간 지하철을 타기 위해 플랫폼에 걸어 들어오는 깔끔한 코트를 입고 바쁜 걸음으로 지나가는 이 남성 피터를 짝사랑하고 있죠.
My Prince Charming. Well, we've never actually spoken, but I know someday we will. I know it.
Merry Christmas.
Nice coat. Merry Christmas to you too. You're beautiful. Will you marry me? I love you.
이날 아침 그 평범한 일상이 깨지게 되는데요.
Sir, this is not good. Please wake up, please, please. Can you wake up? Can you hear me?
이때까지만 해도 루시는 알지 못했습니다. 이 작은 선택이 자신의 인생을 완전히 바꿔놓을 것이라는 사실을요. 피터는 병원으로 실려갔지만 의식을 되찾진 못했고 의사는 그녀에게 묻습니다.
No. No, you don't understand because I was.
Wait there. Let's bring this guy down to number 3.
Oh, I was gonna marry him.
See if Dr. Rubin or Dr. T is here.
간호사는 루시의 혼잣말에 오해를 하곤 그녀를 안내하죠.
Let him hear your voice, huh? It's gonna be fine.
Excuse me. Is that the woman that saved his life?
Yeah. Gets even better than that. She's his fiancée.
Where the hell is he?
Dad, don't embarrass
What is this?
This is my son. How is he?
You can't come bursting into this unit. He's in a coma.
On Christmas Day. This happened.
He was pushed from the platform at the train station.
She's his fiancée.
His fiance?
Yeah. Peter's fiancée?
Peter's engaged?
Yeah, I thought.
No, he
Wait.
Maybe he was busy.
Too busy to tell his own mother he's getting married?
All right, don't yell at him.
I'm not yelling at him.
She jumped on the tracks.
You jumped on the tracks?
Doctor, it's supposed to be family only.
She is family.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, because you know we
really don't understand.
아니라고 말하려 입술을 살짝 움직여보지만 끝내 그 말을 하진 못했죠. 꿈에서나 그리던 짝사랑남이 혼수 상태에 빠져있는 동안만이라도 약혼녀가 될 수 있다면 달콤한 유혹에 빠지는데요.
We didn't get to celebrate Christmas, so it would be nice if you could join us.
게다가 가족들은 피터의 생명을 구해줘서 고맙다며 크리스마스 파티에 그녀를 초대하는데 루시의 등장으로 인해서 그들의 삶에도 활력이 되는 듯하죠.
Right, well, I have it. So
Bye.
Bye, dear. See you later.
So what's the big deal?
What's the big deal, Jerry? They think I'm their future daughter-in-law. And the grandmother, she's got this heart thing. And if I tell her the truth, she's gonna have a heart attack and she's gonna die and it's gonna be on my head. Just mustard.
Now you tell them now, you might as well shoot Grandma.
죄책감이 들긴 하지만 내심 초대받은 피터 가족들의 집에 가고 싶은 루시. 결국
Lucy, come on.
Let's go.
Watch the birdie. Oh, Ma, take it again. I blinked.
You're lucky. I'm blind.
We'll go to Walmart on Monday.
켈러한 가족들의 집으로 초대를 받아 음식을 나눠 먹고 떠들썩하게 이야기를 나누며 크리스마스 파티를 즐기는 순간 루시는 이 모습을 조용히 바라봅니다. 그리고 그 순간 깨닫게 되죠. 이런 장면을 자신은 한 번도 가져본 적이 없다는 것을. 이 따뜻한 분위기 속에서 루시는 결국 진실을 말하지 못하는데요.
She was Dan's friend, right?
I know an Uncle Ed.
No, Uncle Al.
게다가 루시는 한 가지 간과한 것이 있었는데
This is Callahan. Leave a message and I'll get back to you. Ciao.
Hi, it's Ashley. Lisbon is absolutely gorgeous, but I'm cutting my trip short because I have been doing a lot of thinking, and what the heck, I will marry you.
피터에게는 동생 잭이 있었습니다. 형이 법대에 들어가자 어쩔 수 없이 잭이 켈러한 가문의 가업을 이어받을 준비를 하고 있죠.
Lucy's Peter's fiance.
No, that's not Peter's fiance.
You haven't met her?
No.
Well, she's great. You're gonna love her.
Good morning. I guess I don't remember meeting you.
Well, it's probably because we've never met.
That might have something to do with it. Lucy.
Okay, look, I know that
Hey. Welcome to the family.
Oh, thank you. Bye.
이렇게 또 한 고비를 넘긴 루시. 그럼 이제 루시는 본격적으로 피터의 애인이 되어보죠. 피터가 혼자 살고 있는 아파트에 고양이 밥을 챙겨주러 왔고
Come here, mealtime. Come here. Come here. Come on, honey. Where are you?
이곳에서 또 우연히 잭과 마주칩니다. 잭은 처음부터 루시를 조금 의심스럽게 바라보는데요.
Peter doesn't have a cat. Which one of the three Stooges was Peter's favorite?
Curly.
Curly. Ha! He's everybody's favorite. Favorite ice cream.
Baskin Robbins.
Favorite baseball team.
Chicago.
Cubs or White Sox?
What the heck is going on?
Ma, you okay?
혹시 형에게 일부러 접근한 것은 아닌지 몇 가지 테스트를 해보는 잭. 이번엔 그녀 스스로 증명할 차례.
Peter has one testicle.
No way.
얼마 전
Way.
우연히 피터의
About
직장
a month
동료에게
ago, there was
들었던
an accident,
피터의
and he was
비밀스러운
playing
이야기를
basketball,
꺼내는
and his
루시.
friend had a pencil
그런데
in his
내용이
back
사실인지는
pocket.
알 길이 없었고
Well, somebody's got to look.
Don't look at me.
I'm his mother.
Oh, Mom, ew.
리얼로 한 개밖에는 없었을지.
Well, look at the bright side. He's got more room in his jockey shorts.
다행히 잭의 오해는 풀리게 되었고 이후 두 사람은 함께하는 날들이 많아졌습니다. 특히 이날은 부모님이 선물로 주신 소파를 피터의 집에 옮기기로 하는데요.
Be careful.
Maybe we should angle it a little bit. 1, 2. I think the sofa should go right there.
자연스럽게 시간을 보내게 된 두 사람. 알고 보니 가족이 없는 루시에게는 깊은 외로움이 있었고 그녀가 꼭 가보고 싶은 곳이 있다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Florence.
Italy. Oh, I haven't delivered any furniture to Florence yet, but I'm told it's nice.
Yeah. My passport.
You have your passport.
Yes, I do.
There aren't any stamps in that.
Yeah, well, I haven't gone anywhere yet. But, you know, I'm planning the trip to Florence really soon, so, you know, I'll go.
All right, tell me more. Where did you grow up?
God, you just become Mr. Chatty this evening.
잭은 어느 순간 그녀에게 마음을 열었고 루시도 그의 순수하고 정직한 매력에 조금씩 빠져들게 되는데요.
Thank you. I had a good time. So, you gonna go see Peter tomorrow?
Whoa.
What was that?
Is that my pants or my muscles?
Oh, give me your hand. Give me your hand.
I'll wait till you get inside.
Well, good night. I'll see you when I see you.
그녀가 깨닫기까지는 그리 오래 걸리지 않았습니다. 자신이 매일 바라보던 피터가 아니라 지금 옆에서 함께 이야기를 나누고 있는 잭을 더 좋아하고 있다는 사실을요.
I'm having an affair. I like Jack,
Who's Jack?
Peter's brother.
So?
So he thinks I'm engaged.
To who?
To Peter.
잭도 그녀에게 특별한 감정을 느끼고 있었지만 사실 그녀는 형의 약혼녀. 어릴 때부터 똑똑하고 잘난 형에게 남모를 열등감도 있었는데요.
And I was never envious of anything that you had. Until now.
이제 그는 어떻게 해야 할까요?
I'll cut the deck. High card gets Lucy. All right. We'll go best out of 3.
So, Lucy, have you and Peter decided where you're going to go on your honeymoon? Lucy, you think you can find me a nice girl for Jack?
Oh, Mom, come on.
Well, I really don't know Jack's type, so I'm not one to.
I like blondes, chubby ones.
You like brunettes?
I could never make a good pot roast.
You need good beef. Argentina has great beef.
Peter? Hi, it's Ashley. Is this
이쯤에서 우리가 잊고 있었던 게 한 가지 있었죠. 피터의 실제 연인 애슐리가 시카고에 도착했고 피터를 찾기 시작합니다. 어느새 새해가 밝아오고 드디어 혼수 상태였던 피터가 눈을 뜹니다. 모두들 기뻐하지만 문제는 여기서 시작되죠.
Who are you? My God, he's got amnesia.
Selective amnesia.
Okay, exactly.
I'm sorry. I need to tell you something that is really important.
Hey, so let's come out of it, huh?
Oh, all right, let's go.
사실을 말할 타이밍을 놓친 루시. 엎친 데 덮친 격으로 피터가 그녀를 기억하지 못하자 기억 상실증에 걸렸을 거라 생각합니다. 상황이 더욱 복잡해지는데요. 게다가 루시를 자신의 약혼녀라고 믿어버리죠.
To who?
To Lucy.
Lucy. Who's Lucy?
애매해진 두 사람의 관계.
Jack, you've been really great this week. I just wanted you to know that you've become,
Good friend. Lucy.
yeah.
I'm really glad that you won't be alone anymore.
Goodbye.
잭은 하고 싶은 일이 따로 있지만 집안의 가업을 이어받아야 하는 것처럼 그가 진짜 원하는 것이 무엇인지 정확하게 말하지 못했죠.
You don't want my business?
No, I don't.
How long have you felt this way?
Long time.
Well, why didn't you say something sooner? I could have sold the whole damn thing to Uncle Eddie for twice its value. I could have taken your mother on the cruise with Kathy Lee Gifford.
You're not mad at me.
You are nuts. You want to make rocking chairs. We'll call them next
잭은
week.
이제 예전과는 다르게 말할 용기가
That's right.
생긴 걸까요?
I'll call them next week.
You were there when I needed someone the most. You gave me a
한편
second
피터는
chance.
기억을 잃었지만, 아니 사실은 기억을 잃은 게 아니지만 루시가 자신을 구해줬고 가족들을 따뜻하게 대해준 것은 분명했죠.
Lucy Eleanor Moderates, will you marry me?
피터의 청혼 이후 결국 결혼을 준비하게 된 피터와 루시, 그리고 그녀를 찾아온 또 한 사람.
In with you, Jack. Do you want to come in?
Wow, so that's the wedding dress. I just wanted to give you this before all the presents started to pile up. Dropping off some furniture in Little Italy. I look in a window and...
Lawrence,
Lawrence.
thank you. It's really beautiful.
Peter is a very lucky guy.
Thank you.
I had to say that because you're gonna be my sister-in-law.
Ah.
I better get going.
Yeah. Jack. Can you give me any reason why I shouldn't marry your brother?
I can't.
마지막 기회였지만 그녀가 원하는 대답을 들을 수 없었죠.
What's this?
It's a wedding invitation.
The coma guy? Are you insane?
Yes, Jerry, I'm insane. Every day I go and I sit in a booth like a veal. I work every holiday. I go home to a cat. And now a rich and handsome man has asked me to marry him, and I've said yes. Okay, that makes me a raving total lunatic.
What happened with the other guy?
He didn't want me.
드디어 결혼식 날. 신부 드레스를 입고 결혼식장을 들어오며 그 순간 루시는 깨닫습니다. 이 결혼은 사랑이 아니라 거짓말의 끝이라는 것을. 그래서 그녀는 결국 용기를 내기로 하죠.
We are gathered here today to join.
I object.
I didn't get to that part yet.
I would have to object too.
What about you?
I'm thinking.
What the hell is going on?
I am in love with your son.
I know.
Not that one. That one. I was never engaged to Peter. I couldn't tell you the truth, and then I didn't want to tell you the truth because the truth was that I fell in love with you. I went from being all alone to being a fiancée, a daughter, and I just didn't want to let go of that. So even though it was just for a little while, I will love them always. I'm very sorry.
Peter Callahan is engaged to me. I
때마침
object to this
도착한
wedding.
피터의 진짜 약혼녀.
So did my fiance.
Peter, how could you do this?
결혼식장은 순식간에 아수라장이 됐고 그녀는 다시 일상으로 돌아왔죠. 그런데
Lucy? Marry me?
루시가 처음 피터에게 느꼈던 감정은 사랑이라기보단 막연한 동경이었지만 잭은 자신의 모습을 그대로 이해해준, 그리고 그런 자신을 사랑해준 사람이었죠. 이 모든 일들은 어떻게 일어날 수 있었을까요?
Peter once asked me when it was that I fell in love with Jack. And I told him it was while you were sleeping.